How to log out of your Supercell ID. To log out of your Supercell ID from any to log out of your Supercell ID on any of the application, the process is pretty similar. First, you want to open a game from Supercell. I'm using Clash Royale over here. And inside the application, you want to tap on these three bars at the top right of your screen. And here you'll be able to see an option called Supercell ID. You want to simply tap on Supercell ID. By doing so, you'll be able to see your account over here. Simply tap on settings beside your username. And here you'll be able to see an option called Logout. Simply tap on Logout and click on Logout again. By doing so, you have successfully logged out of your Supercell account. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, do comment down below.